Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about the variety and unity of India by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The variety and unity of India by Jawaharlal Nehru is a famous article or essay. This article was published in 1941. It was edited by V.K. Krishnan Menon. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is popularly known as Chacha Nehru by the children. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad in the British India. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a barrister of Allahabad High Court. His mother was Swarup Rani. Jawaharlal Nehru went to England to study. He studied at Trinity College, Cambridge, and the Inner Temple, where he trained himself as a barrister. Jawaharlal Nehru came to India and he started legal practice at Allahabad High Court. But later he joined Indian politics. He became a freedom fighter. He fought freedom struggle boldly under the able guidance of Mahatma Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru continued to fight for the independence of India. He went to jail several times. However, Nehru didn't give up his struggle against the Britishers. When he was given imprisonment, his father was anxious. Jawaharlal Nehru was the lone son of his father. It is said that Nehru's father was so anxious that he began to sleep on the floor without mosquito net and fan to realize whether his son would be able to live without luxuries in the jail. Such was the love and affection of Motilal Nehru for his son Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India in 1947. He continued to serve India as the Prime Minister of the country till 1964. During this period, he started many reforms, many economic plans and schemes to make India a modern country, a powerful country. What we see India today is the effort, endeavor of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru died on 27th May 1964 in New Delhi in India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the President of India, honored him with Bharat Ratna without seeking advice from the Prime Minister, which is the usual practice in the country. Apart from his political life, Jawaharlal Nehru was an eminent and prolific writer. He wrote many books in English. He wrote The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, an autobiography, Toward Freedom. He also wrote 30 letters to his daughter, Indira Gandhi, when she was 10 years old and in boarding a school in Mussoorie. Jawaharlal Nehru delivered several speeches from time to time. These speeches are full of learning, scholarship, knowledge and wisdom. Later, his speeches published in a separate book, all his letters published in a book which is popularly known as Letters from a Father to his daughter. Now let me talk about the present essay, The Variety and Unity of India. As I told earlier, this essay came out in 1941, edited by V.K. Krishna Menon. This essay is much anthologized all over the world. This essay is very much popular in the USA, where people study about the diversity of India and the unity of India, varieties in India and unity in India. It is a record of Indian culture, civilization, integration and so on. In this letter, in this article, Nehru said that India's variety is tremendous. It has different cultures, civilization, languages, religions, etc. The variety is so tremendous that people of North India do not look after the people of the South India. There is much variety in the dresses of the people, in the living of the people, in the languages of the people in India. However, there is unity among them. This is the most striking thing that we find in India. In India, different languages are spoken. Bengalis speak Bangla, Marathis speak Maratha, Gujaratis speak Gujarati, Tamils Telugu, Udiya, Kannada, etc. Despite this fact, they have unity among them. The third important thing that Nehru points out in this essay is that even today, in the event of the emergence of nationalism in the alien lands, the Indians have immediately formed groups. Despite their internal differences, they forged unity among themselves. They live together, they work together, and they share views and ideas together with each other. The writer thinks of the variety and diversity of India and says that whenever he thinks of India, he thinks of many things. For example, broad fields punctuated with countless villages, towns, cities, and of the magic of the rains and seasons. To conclude, the variety and unity of India is one of the important essays of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This article is prescribed almost for students of many countries in the world apart from India. Thanks a lot.